being a founder or being a producer, and then suddenly being in a spot where you have to do certain things or you want to do certain things which you thought weren't you know, at some point in time. So I think it's been a good ride, but I think the change came the moment I had kids. So I think motherhood taught me that I could do a lot more and I'm capable of a lot more. And then my two babies, which I call my, not Rian and Ryan, but my film company, which is Mumbai Film Company, my venture, which is Imagine Food, was born.
So, okay, to add to all of the hats that I referred to, I think motherhood should also be there. And I know a lot of people say, why do you raise it with women when you don't raise it with men? I think we have such different expectations from a woman, that from a man, from a father. And yet you've managed to balance that. Was that hard too? The fact that, you had all of this while also being a mother focusing on your family?
I've often said this, and I'll keep saying it. I think it's the toughest job. I think, being a homemaker and being a mom is sometimes the toughest job, and it's one that gets no credit, that's taken for granted, and there's no paycheck to it. So once you're in that zone and you know how to do it all, you know how to plan it, you know how to put it into perspective, and you're responsible for two little children's lives very often. You're responsible for the way the home runs. And when you get to doing that, then coming to a startup and you're doing the same thing, right? Like you're starting from base, you're starting on a format which doesn't have too many people, where you're doing everything. You figure it out much better, I think. And it is tough. I won't say it's easy, because there are days that you work, like when Imagine Food was initially launched. I used to work like from 5 in the morning till around 7:38, and then I would take a break because the kids would get up, and then again go back to work.
That's still working.
Yeah, so that's how you figure it out, you plan it out. But I won't say it's an easy ride. I just feel there's two ways of looking at it. There's one that pushes you towards growth, and there's one that pushes you towards safety, where you're comfortable and you're like, okay, this is how I can do things. Or you take the extra step and you go towards growth.